Hey there and welcome. So, if you've ever worked with text files, code, log files, or even just a simple to-do list, you've probably run into that moment where it's just a total mess. Well, today, we're going to show you how to tame that chaos with two incredibly powerful, yet simple command line tools.
Does this look familiar to you? You've got a list, right? And it's just all over the place. You've got the same item listed twice, nothing's in order. It's just a headache. So what do? You're not going to go through this line by line, are you? No way. There's a much, much better way.
And that solution is what I like to call the 1-2 punch for text files, the commands sort and unique. Seriously, once you see how these two work together, you'll be able to clean up messy files in like seconds. It's a total game changer.
So what's the deal with these two? Well, on the surface, it's pretty straightforward. Sort, well, it sorts things. It arranges all the lines of text. And Uniq is our cleanup tool. It gets rid of duplicate lines. But here's the catch, and it's a big one. It's how Uniq works that makes sort its absolute best friend. Let's dig in.
Okay, first up is sort. Think of sort as the librarian for your messy file. Its one and only job is to take all that chaos and put everything into a nice, predictable, alphabetical order. It creates structure where there was none. And trust me, this first step is absolutely crucial for what we're about to do next.
And here's the other half of our duo, Uniq. Now pay close attention to that word right there, adjacent. This is the secret to the whole thing. See, Uniq is powerful, but it's also a little simple-minded. It will only remove a duplicate line if it's directly next to its twin. So if you have milk on line 1 and milk again on line 5, Uniq will just ignore it. They have to be touching. And now you see why sort is so important, right?
All right, let's see this whole thing in action. Here's our messy shopping list again. We just cat the file to see what's inside, and there it is. Milk, bread, milk, eggs. You can see those two milk entries are separated by bread. This is our starting point, our before picture.
Okay, now for step 1 of our plan, the setup. We run the sort command on our file. And look at that! The output is now perfectly alphabetized. Bread, eggs, and, most importantly, our two milk entries are now sitting right next to each other. They're adjacent. We've basically set the perfect trap for Uniq to walk right into.
And here it is, the magic moment. We take the output from our sort command and we pipe it. That's what that little vertical bar is, directly into the Uniq command. The pipe just takes the result from the first command and uses it as the input for the second. And just like that, we get a clean, sorted, Uniq list. It's beautiful. Remember the formula. Sort groups them, Uniq removes them.
But hold on, we're not done yet. This gets even cooler. What if you didn't want to just delete the duplicates? What if you wanted to know how many of each item you had in the first place? Well, our little cleaning duo can instantly transform into a powerful data analysis tool.
All we have to do is add a single little flag to our Uniq command, -c, which stands for count. So now we run sort shopping.txt uniq-c. And look at the output. Instead of just giving us a clean list, it now tells us exactly how many of each item we had. 1 bread, 1 eggs, and 2 milk. How awesome is that? With one character, you go from cleaning to counting. So let's do a quick recap. The key things to remember are, sort is your organizer. It puts everything in alphabetical order. Uniq is your cleaner, but it's picky. It only removes duplicates that are right next to each other. That's why you almost always use them together with a pipe. Sort Uniq. And for that extra bit of magic, toss in a C with Uniq to count your data instead.
And really, that's all there is to it. It might seem like a small thing, but you've just unlocked a new text processing superpower. The next time you're staring at a chaotic log file or a messy list of notes, you'll know exactly how to whip it into shape in seconds.
So you can now sort, clean, and count your lists. But what if you want to really start manipulating text? I'm talking about tools that can slice, dice, and completely transform your data in ways you can't even imagine. Ready to meet the real superheroes of text changing? Then join us next time when we dive into the incredible world of cut, awk, and sed. You don't want to miss it.